guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Maureen Achu. I'm a food, family and lifestyle vlogger. I live in the United Kingdom. I'm a Nigerian, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button to be a part of my family. And to all you my amazing and wonderful subscribers, and to all you my new subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in. Thank you for being a part of my family. Yeah, so guys, today I'm going to be making a very interesting recipe, you guys. So guys, this recipe is inspired by Fantastic Favour. Fantastic Favour is an amazing woman. She's an amazing woman, a Nigerian YouTuber. She lives in Italy with her husband and her kids. She's a food blogger, a lifestyle blogger, and you guys, this woman makes very delicious meal. She made this recipe is a sauce. You can use this sauce to eat anything you want to eat, like your rice, your spaghetti, your potato, your yam. You know, you can even eat it like it's a vegetable sauce, and it's something you can eat even without using any side dish. You know, you can still eat it just like that. So she made this on her channel. I saw it, I really liked it. I told myself that I was going to make it. This is going to be my first attempt at making it, and so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please, if you do, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to be a part of my family. So guys, for my recipes, I'm going to be using this spinach. This is one full pack of spinach leaves. Then I have some tomatoes, about 4 tomatoes already sliced, and I have geisha. I'm going to be using geisha, and I'm also going to be adding some mackerel fish into this, like fresh mackerel fish. Okay, so I have my green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper all chopped and ready. Then I have some onions. This is 1 onion chopped, and then I have my minced ginger, and then I have some cabbage here, and also I have the cherry tomatoes and 2 scotch bonnet pepper, which I have already sliced, and then I have my coconut oil. And then for my spices, you guys, I have this. So guys, yeah, I used this fish seasoning because I don't have the ariosto. She used the ariosto in that her video. And then I have this 1 Knorr seasoning cube. Then I have nutmeg. I'm going to be using a little of this. Then I have my thyme, curry powder, and then salt. Guys, in a saucepan, I'm going to add some coconut oil, and then I'll allow it to melt out and heat up. And then I'm going to add the onions and minced ginger, and I'll stir fry this for at least 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, guys, I'm going to pour in the tomatoes, and I'll fry the tomatoes for at least 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, I'm going to add the thyme. I'll add some thyme, and then I'm going to add the Knorr seasoning cube. So when I add this, I'm going to mix it very well. And so another thing I was supposed to add in this is the zucchini. I was supposed to add the zucchini, but you guys, in that her video, she said it was optional, that you don't need to, like, it's not compulsory. So I'm going to put a link to her video on my description, so you go there and see the full recipe. So what is missing in this my own recipe, in this my own sauce, is that I don't have the zucchini. And she also talked about the ariosto fish seasoning. I don't have that, but that one, she said you can use any fish seasoning. So because I don't have the zucchini, I'll just go ahead and add my geisha. And when I add my geisha, I'm going to, you know, add some of the fish seasoning that I'm using, and then I'm going to also rinse the geisha container and add, you know, add some water on it and rinse it, just because I don't want anything to be wasted. I'm going to rinse that and add the little water into this sauce to also lighten it. So I'll stir this properly, and then you guys, because I love the taste of fresh mackerel, I'm going to add at least 3 fresh mackerel into this, and I'll also flip to the other side to make sure that it's cooking well. So guys, right now I'm going to be adding the pepper. So I'm going to be adding the red bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, and the green bell pepper. And once I add these, I'll also add the scotch bonnet pepper. You guys, just take a look at the color. Just take a look at this color, guys. This is really one pot packed with delicious goodness. So once I add this, I'm going to stir it. Then I'll add the curry powder, add some nutmeg, a little nutmeg, and then I'm going to also add some salt, you guys. So once I add the salt, I'll also stir and then cover this and allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, I'm going to open it and then add the garbage. You guys, I added some garbage, but I just felt like, okay, let me just add all the garbage I have. So I added all the garbage, and then I'm going to also stir this. And when I stir this properly, I'm then going to add my spinach leaf. So guys, I just don't want to cut the spinach leaf, so I decided to add it like that. So I added my spinach leaves, and then I stirred, and also finally I added the cherry tomatoes. You guys, wow, the aroma I'm getting is just out of this world. Like this the aroma is so good. The aroma is so good. So I'm going to cover this and allow this to cook for at least 3 minutes again. Yeah guys, so after 3 minutes, this is so done. This one pot packed with delicious goodness is so done. Thank you so much to Fantastic Favour for this recipe, you guys. This recipe is a must try. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. So like I said earlier, you can eat this with some yam, with some potatoes, with spaghetti, with white rice, brown rice. You can just eat this as a vegetable sauce also, or with any side dish you feel like. So guys, for me, I'm having it with a mix of brown rice and white rice. I decided to mix my rice that way, and this is so good and it tastes really good. So give it a try. Thank you so much guys for always tuning in and for always watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Meanwhile guys, I'm going to put a link to the main video on my description, so you go there and get the full recipe. So thank you so much guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. You guys, look at this. So guys, this is a mixture of white rice and brown rice. So this is what I'm going to be having, because I don't want to eat just white rice alone. So I decided to mix up my white rice with my brown rice. Yeah, so I'm going to add these delicious wonders. Let me add these delicious wonders and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, yeah, you guys, this is so good. This is so good. I have actually eaten, but because I want to share with you guys, I'm here again. And it's so fresh. It's so fresh. This is so good. This is really, really good.